Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off all your notifications on any iPhone. There's a couple different ways to do this, and it depends, it's obviously up to you how deep you want to go through with turning off your notifications, because you could do it by each notification, or you can use like a generic kind of turn off of the notifications, and I'll show you what I mean. So if you guys just start off in the settings application here, and you want to scroll down till you see do not disturb. You want to click on do not disturb, and you just want to make sure that the do not disturb option is ticked. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that it'll say silent while the iPhone is locked, or always. So if you want to really get in there and turn off most of your notifications, I would click on always, just so when your phone is locked, it would show you no notifications whatsoever. And then if you want to take another step up, you would just go out to settings and then click on notifications. And then for show previews, you just want to click on that, and then you can put to never. So that way you will see no previews at all on your lock screen whatsoever. And then if you want to take it another notch up from there, you can go through each individual application that you have on your phone and decide what kind of notifications you want from it, whether you want to deliver quietly, if you want banners, sounds, and badges, or if you want no notifications at all. So you can make that decision. But there is lots of different options you can take. I really hope I helped you guys out with this video. If it helped you guys out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.